Hi, my name is Cameron Schell. I'm the CEO of Draganfly. Draganfly is a NASDAQ listed company, DPRO. We've been in business for 24 years. Draganfly is the oldest commercial drone manufacturer in the world. We've been manufacturing drones since 1998. And the first quadcopter that we manufactured, actually we installed thermal cameras on it and we're using it with search and rescue teams since the late 90s. In fact, the Draganflyer drone is the first drone that was ever credited with saving a human life. And today that drone sits on permanent display in the Smithsonian. Well, the drone market itself is absolutely exploding. It's come of age in the commercial space. And so it is somewhat being highlighted by the unfortunate strife in the world, but also just the progression of the FAA and the introduction of drones into the commercial airspace, whether again, it's for delivery or mapping or inspection or medical response, a search and rescue, whatever the case is. I thought this was the case 10 or 15 years ago, which is when I deeply got involved in the industry. And so, I was just way early, but now the timing is perfect. So, right place, right time, 15 years later, here we are where we've got a market which is absolutely, growing to a $40 billion market from a $20 billion market over 5 years. So there's $20 billion of growth. The market that's in place today is still primarily military and somewhat consumer, but that $20 billion of growth is primarily going to be in the commercial space. So getting in on the macro picture of drones it's a fantastic time to do it. Now there's going to be 2 or 3 top players. I personally think that Draganfly is positioned to be one of those 1, 2, or top players based out of North America, because of 3 primary things. First of all is traction. Draganfly has demonstrated our results. We have Q over Q growth. We have year over year growth. We're scaling. We've got our products in place. And that's what's really important, is that we are demonstrating the revenue growth at this particular time. If there's anything that we can do to help service you or provide you more information, please do not hesitate to visit www.draganfly, that's DRAGANFLY.com. From all of us at DPRO, we thank you for your time and consideration.